Hey everyone, this is Aditya and I'm going to walk you through the database administrative approach for Q4-Database, which is our fourth question in our assessment. So to begin with, let's start with the introduction. Wendy is moving from using spreadsheets to a proper database system to manage her business. This system will store customer profiles, sales records, and stock details in one central place. But going digital means we also need to protect the data without protection. It could be stolen or changed by mistake. So data security isn't just a thing. It's the key to running the business safely and keeping customers' trust. So over here we'll talk about impacts. So the first impact is external data breach. The first risk is from the outside, like hackers breaking in. If someone steals customer data, such as names, emails, or purchase history, it could lead to privacy issues and even legal trouble. But even worse, it can damage the company's reputation once customers lose trust. It's really hard to win it back. So the solution for this is encryption. To protect data from being stolen, we can use encryption. This means the data is scrambled and unreadable unless you have the special key. Even if someone gets access, they can't make sense of it. We should encrypt data when it's stored. This is called at rest. And when it's sent over the internet, called in transit. Databases like MySQL make this easy with built-in encryption tools. So the second impact is internal misuse or mistake. The second risk comes from inside the business. Let's say a staff member accidentally deletes the wrong invoice or changes the wrong product info. Without the right controls, it's easy to make a small mistake that causes big problems, like wrong billing or stock errors. So the solution for this is something called as RBAC, which is nothing but role-based access control. It's like giving each employee a key to only the parts of the system they need. A manager might see reports, while a sales assistant can only record sales. This reduces mistakes and keeps private data safe. So moving on to the seventh slide, we'll talk about best practices for Q4-Database. Here, first set up a regular automatic backup so you never lose important data. Second, turn on audit logs. These track who did what in the system. So if something goes wrong, you can trace it. And most importantly, combine your protections like having both a lock and an alarm on your front door. Using layers keeps your data safer. So let's move on to conclusion. So to wrap up things, data protection isn't just about avoiding problems. It's about building a solid, trusted business. So encryption protects your data from outsiders. RBAC protects it from inside mistakes. So together these steps give Wendy and her team confidence that the system will support the company as it grows. Thank you.